So is this the biggest snow you ever saw?
It's the biggest one I've seen in a long time.
Yeah.
Just looking at my pile there by the road, it's been a few years since I had anything like that.
Yeah, it's as tall as you.
Yeah, that's 6 foot. But yeah, it's not that bad.
Sure.
Yeah, I mean, once it's shoveled, it should be gone for a while. Shouldn't have to do too much. Of course, here in town, you know, we have to shovel our sidewalks all the time, anyways, and I always try to keep mine right down to the cement. It helps the pedestrians.
Sure.
So.
How long you been at it this morning?
This is my second time out. I kind of doing little bits at a time. I think I'm just about done. You know, I wanted to get to the point where if I had to get out, I could.
Yeah.
So, you know, so I'll do that. Go in, have another cup of coffee, get my fingers warmed up, and come back out again. You know, in a little while.
Oh.
It was more fun in '78 than it is now.
My kids built igloos in our driveway.
Oh wow.
My son was 12.
Wow.
So yeah.
It's a good time.
Because I talked to them this morning. I said, "Remember that?" I said, "Yeah, I remember, Mom." They even ice skated down the street on the road. We lived in Comstock Park.
Okay.
And they ice skated right down our road. It was. Matter of fact, I have that on video. So.
Yeesh.
Yeah, it was great.
Yeah.
As we opened up the garage door, it kept going up and up, and there's just kept being snow. So I'm like, holy cow.
Yikes. Was it like that this morning too?
Actually, when I opened my door, see his tree?
Oh yeah.
Isn't it beautiful? Actually, it was leaning down even more from the weight of the snow, and I actually took a picture of it.
Oh neat.
I thought it was beautiful.
Yeah, it is pretty cool.
But when I opened the door, I had to push the snow away to get out.
This the biggest snowstorm you ever saw?
I think so. Probably since I was a little kid, maybe.
Yeah, everyone talks about the storm of '78.
When I was in the Army, I was down in Virginia, stationed in the Army, so I wasn't home. In fact, I come home for Christmas of '77. It was like the month before. So I just missed that one.